Hello everyone, welcome to the InStyle Knitting Studio. Today we are going to knit this pattern. It is a half twisted ribbing in the round. This is what the front side looks like. And this is the back side. Many people mistake the back side for the front. In other words, this pattern looks nice from both sides. Half twisted ribbing is similar to English ribbing, but it is still a little different. Specifically, this half-twisted ribbing is knitted without yarn overs, very simply. The pattern repeat consists of 2 stitches in width and 2 rows in height. The fabric turns out to be flowing, it stretches well. It is perfect for a jumper, a snood, a blanket, and much more. We will be knitting half-twisted ribbing in the round. So, after we cast on the required number of stitches, using any convenient method for us, we start knitting the first row. You can knit with classic stitches, you can use grandmother stitches. But don't forget that when knitting in the round, we always knit the front stitches through the front loop. I will knit with classic stitches. Therefore, the first row is very simple. We knit regular ribbing one by one. One front, one back. And we repeat this until the end of the row. We knit the second row, we knit the front stitch into the stitch of the lower row as a front stitch. The back stitch, as usual. Thus, yarn overs are not needed here anymore. And because we insert the needle into the row below, our stitches become elongated like this. And that's it. After this, we simply alternate the first and second rows. I will finish here. Thank you for the like and subscription.